everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy with another project. Friends, let's take this Dollar Tree hat and make it look like a watermelon. I had a bunch of you ask, so let me show you. All right, Dollar Tree hat. I use multi-surface paint. I know, don't get crazy, it's fine. And then I started painting. Now I started with a softer bristle brush, and then I had to switch it up to a little bit more firmer bristle. And then I just kind of made swirls because you have to get in to all of those nooks and crannies and the threads. So just swirl in kind of like, try to get it into all the fibers. Again, this is a multi-surface paint. Yes, it makes the brim a little bit stiffer, but the brim is already stiff. And let's be clear about something. It's a Dollar Tree hat. It's not the best quality to begin with, so no worries with that. And the multi-surface paint says it could be used for fabric, so I'm just saying. So again, I just go through, and I had this posted the other day when I posted the bag, watermelon bag, and people wanted to know how I made the hat. So here you go. I'll show you. All right, so you go all the way around, right? We're going to make just the brim. We're going to make that green. And don't get fussy about it, okay? If you make a mistake, it's okay. It's watermelon rind, and it's never perfectly straight. There it is. Now, I did not let it dry fully before I went to the next level. And the next level is this. I mixed a little bit of my Speedball Black Pearl in with the green multi-surface paint, and it made this just a little bit darker, just so that we could make it really look like a watermelon rind. You don't have to do this part, but I really feel like it came out cute. And it's just a squiggle, squiggle, squiggle. Don't get crazy and try to make it perfect. I think that we get so hung up a lot of times in perfection that we lose out. Right? So and a lot of times that perfection makes us all nervous, and it makes us so that we can't do stuff, and it makes us screw up more. Maybe that's just me. It could just be me. Either way, it's fine. All I did was squiggle, squiggle, squiggle all the way around the hat, making sure that I didn't have any pooling paint. There's that. This is that Speedball Black Pearl that I was telling you about. And now we're going to use that again. And yes, I am using the lid because there was a lot of paint on it. I don't want to waste any paint. So I'm using a makeup brush, and I test it. You see how I kind of practiced a little bit before. And then I get my brush loaded up again, and then I just dab and lift. See, easy peasy. So I did a little bit of pressure, but not a lot. I mean, again, practice. Like I practiced just a couple times beforehand just to get the feel of it, just to make sure that the brush was going to be the right brush. The bristles were going to be stiff enough or soft enough, whatever. I mean, it's just practice just a hot minute and then go through. And I put dots. Again, do as many or as few as you want. I went all the way around the hat, and then I actually did the top as well. I did the top as well because I thought, oh, this might look really cute if we put seeds everywhere so it looks like a piece of watermelon and not just on the sides. So that's what I did. I went through all the way around. Again, this is an actual fabric screen printing paint. So it's going to take just a little bit longer to dry, but oh, it is so nice. It is permanent. So look how cute. Yeah, my children already scooped it. They were already fighting over this. Can you believe that? Anyways, friends, I love it. Look how cute it is. Anyways, thanks for watching. I hope this inspires you.